So, friends, nowadays most of them are focused on creating unique and stylish living space. So, the use of a wooden room partitions has quickly gained the popularities because to this versatility and aesthetically pleasing dividers not only add a touch of elegance to your room, but they also serve as a functional purpose such as creating the privacy and separating the different areas for the specific uses. So friends, in this video I'm going to explore the advantages and some beautiful designs. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So one of the key advantages of its ability to instantly transform the look and feel of a room with various designs and finishes. So you can choose a partition that complements your existing room interior designs or creates a striking contrast to make a bold statement. So the natural beauty of wood adds a warmth and sophistications to any space, whether it is your living room, dining hall, bedrooms, or even in the office. So privacy is often a primary concern when it comes to room partitions. So whether you have an open concept living room or a need to divide a large room into a smaller sections, a wooden partitions can provide the necessary privacy without completely closing off the space. It allows the light to flow through while still creating a sense of separations. So this is particularly useful in the studio apartments or the big large living space or the share space whether you want define different functional areas for your privacy. And also wooden room partitions are not just about the aesthetics, they also serve a practical purpose. So behind dividing rooms, they can be used as a backdrop for hanging the artwork or a display for the decorative items. And some partitions even come with the integrated shelves or storage compartments, providing the additional functionality. So you can see in this video. This allows you to make the most of the available space while adding an element to elegance and organizing to your room. So one of the greatest advantages of wooden room partitions is their flexibility. So unlike the permanent walls, wooden partitions can be easily moved or adjusted to your changing needs. So this makes them a cost-effective and versatile solutions for dividing your space. So whether you rearrange your furniture layout or create the temporary boundaries for specific activities, wooden room partitions provide the flexibility you need. So when investing in a wooden room partitions, it is essential to choose a high quality craftsmanship. So look for the partitions which are made from solid wood, and if you want in a budget friendly, go with the engineering wood. So as they are more durable and long lasting compared to alternatives like particle board. So wooden partitions not only withstand the test of time but also retain their beauty and charm for years to come. So by selecting a wooden partitions, you are making a long-term investment in both functionality and aesthetics. So thanks for the growing demand for the wooden room partitions. You can find a wide range of options from reputable furnitures. So friends, if you want any beautiful designs for your research searching, then you can find my descriptions. There I will going to share some room partition. So you can check out their latest price and specifications before purchasing. But always consider some important points while you are purchasing the purpose of room partition and like Always check the size, so measure your space accurately, consider the height, width and ceiling floor clearance. So ensure it doesn't block the pathways. Another point is the style and decor match. Choose a designs that complements your existing furniture and theme. And one of the important point is check the material. So option for a durable woods. Check for web resistance construction. So consider treated wood for moisture, termite resistance. So as I tell you friends, for if you want a good premium with a high, go with the solid wood. If you want in a budget friendly option, go with the engineering wood which are made from plywoods. Another point is to consider is the functionality. So decide on privacy level and extras like storage or routability, portability, and maintenance. So would require dusting, occasional polishings. Avoid the humid areas unless it is treated, and always check the price for an installation process. So because ready-made freestanding and easy, so it is a easy installation process. Wooden partitions are a versatile, timeless choice for dividing the space beautifully. If you have a specific style or room in a mind, so friends, you can check out my description for the latest designs. So I will going to share some beautiful partition designs. So you can check out the latest price, specifications before purchasing, and the reviews. One of the most important point. So friends, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.